Hey guys, good morning. Happy January 5th. Yeah, January 5th. I hope you guys are having a blessed morning. So we are up getting things done because, well, this is the last weekend before school, so I am up and at 'em trying to get things done. I'm about to make some pierogies and my tea as well. As you know, as a girl's gotta have her tea before I start my day. I've already read my scripture of the Bible I need to read, so that is something that I do every morning before I get up. Go on any social media, say my prayers, read a scripture of the Bible to get my juices going, and sometimes I even listen to like the godly motivational speakers on YouTube after I do that as well, and then anything else can come after that. So that's how I generally start my morning, and so far I find it as a blessing, and I'm gonna continue using. Hey, can you pass me some onions in the fridge? She's right here, so you could have your tea. So yeah, that's how I generally start my day. So even when going to school, what else do I need?
Pepper or something?
Oh, I need a big frying pan down there. Here, I need to. Pass me the frying pan. I gotta cut up the
Mommy, I think you put too much water.
There's not too much water in it. Here,
It's the
let me mix
Milo.
it for you.
It's a thingy.
So let me put it up here. So as you see, the guys them are still sleeping. It's just me and the girls this morning.
I was the first one up. No, it was the second one.
So
No, Mommy was the second.
here, let me mix
Mommy
this.
go.
Technically, I was the first one up, but I went back to bed. I had things to do, and then I went back to bed. So yeah, today after later on, we're going to go finish my girlfriend's tour that we started. So yeah, I need a frying pan. So I'm going to go here. So you want a spoon in it? Okay. Here, hold it by the handle because it's hot.
Well, I add water to it to make it like
So we're going to go finish that today. The whole floor is not going to get done because my husband has to work. It's kind of something that our business that we owned back home that we do, and yeah, I would try and help him as much as possible. So, and it's something that he loves to do, like construction, renovation, anything like that. That's always been his expertise. That's why I call him Jack of all trade. So I'm just actually making some pierogies now for brunch, and he's never eaten it before. He's never tried it, so we'll see how it goes. I don't even have no sour cream, which sucks because I like having pierogies with sour cream, but I don't know. I'm just gonna have to do without it. So I'm just gonna get that done and fry it up. My son has to go get his hair cut today. So he has that out the way. You know, going back to school, you gotta look fresh. All these new kids, they want to look fresh. You gotta look fresh to go back to school. So yeah, and I'm going to see them off on their first school day so far. We're what is the first week? The first week of January is finished already, guys. Can you believe that? Class is finished. I'm gonna wash this one. Can you pass me the cutting board over there, please? So I can cut the onions.
Yeah, I gotta just wash up my plate. So I made breakfast this morning. Got up and made breakfast, and then I
The green one for vegetables. The red one is for meat. And this is why you guys are always messing up the cutting board. The red is for the meat, and the green cutting board is for vegetables and fruit. Right? Thank you. So let me get these onions cut up. Yes, Sarissa. Can you watch television? No. It's what day is it today?
Saturday.
Alright. So that you know that today? No, not right now. If you are, it has to be, you already know what. But which I think you could put it on because it would be a good thing to watch. Can you pass me the cooking oil, Faith? I need a cooking oil.
The thing yesterday, the box cut me.
What box?
With the woods in it. Cause I was taking it up. I just got a little squirt. If you're watching it,
you could turn it on. I'm gonna put on something for you to watch that you can watch, and that's the only thing that you guys can actually watch until after
6.
the hours of operation. So yeah, I'm just gonna.
Would be home at church now.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we didn't end up going to church today, unfortunately, but that's okay. We got up, we did our worshiping, even though my husband was sleeping, we did it without him. Did it without the boys. So I'm just gonna make something to eat, and then plus I had to get I ordered some new clothes, so I'm actually waiting for all that, which will be nice. I'll have stuff to wear to go to church. I'm gonna take these things out. So yeah, and I do season when I make my pierogies. I do season it.
So they're not
I think
fresh.
it gets more flavor. I season it. It just adds more flavor to everything. Yes, yes. And of course, I gotta get my black pepper in there. Give it that kick. Alright. And then I'll throw in my onions. Hopefully that's enough. And then I use this. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing. I just have my onions in here sauteing right now, and a little bit of seasoning that I put it in. So like I have it like that, and I have my pierogies over here. I'll take it, and I like them to be a nice golden color. I was in the bathroom when I actually put them on, so I think maybe overcooked a little bit, but that's okay. I'm just going to do this, and then I think maybe I'm just gonna fry up some hot dogs as well with it, and call it a day. So yeah guys, that's all I'm doing right now. I'm making, and yeah, going to go for now. I'm going to go eat. Oh, got my DC shirt on. Nice pajama, they come in handy. My girlfriend, I'm looking like a hot mess. What one? This one? You want fish with you? Pew! You didn't say one fish with you? So we still have the floor, we're about to start in there. So yeah, I'll show you what I've done so far. So the room is pretty much finished. The only thing that my husband has to do is he's putting on the baseboards now, and then he's doing the closets, and then we're finished. Then we have the hallway and the a couple more rooms that we got to get done. It's one's right there. So I got out of the house today, finally. Mr. Handsome over there in the corner. So yeah, as you guys can see, the floors are all done. Don't mind the mess, guys. I guess we're kind of in a construction zone. So he's just putting on these baseboards here. It's a thicker one. Watching on getting done to put onto the wall right now.
So she said yes. Sure, why not?
I'm exhausted, I am tired, and it's pretty much time to go to bed. I just need to go home now and go and shower. We're done working for the day. But yeah, I'll just show you guys what is pretty much the only thing that's left to do. See, the baseboards are on. He just gotta get the putty and wipe those out and seal them. So he's gonna come back and do those tomorrow. So they are all done. So he's gotta do them. And the walk-in closet, he's just gotta put on the baseboards and then fill in that little part over there. And then pretty much that is it. We will be all finished. So I don't think I'll be coming back with him tomorrow. I gotta go make Sunday dinner and pretty much get things done. And I have a birthday party to go to, so we're gonna end up doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna end up going to the birthday party tomorrow and cook dinner ahead of time. So that's pretty much what we'll be doing. Let me shut off the lights. See if I'm forgetting anything in here. I don't think so. Okay, call that a night, and that is it. So I guess I will see you guys when we reach home. Marissa, let's go. It's time to go home. Can you help clean up that mess, please? All right. And it's time to go home. I am exhausted. So, so yeah. Well, I can say we had a very productive day. I got a lot of things done. So I can't complain. Are you ready, sir? Ow, Memphis. Okay, so yeah. I'll see you guys when I reach home. So I just reached home. I'm all showered and I am ready for bed. I am exhausted. It has been a long day. I'm ready to just go sleep. I gotta get up early tomorrow morning because tomorrow is what, Sunday? Well, it's already it's already Sunday morning already. So, and it's what, after 12, quarter to 1? Yeah, it's 12, yeah, 12:30. So I am exhausted. So I am just coming in to say good night. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Have a good night, guys. Guys, good morning. Welcome back. Hope you guys are having a blessed morning. I am just on my way, getting ready to head out. I got a few things that I need to get done. I gotta go to the library because I don't have my computer.